Welcome back to our beauty series. Our today's topic is chin, more specifically, double chin and ways to get rid of it. Obesity is not always a cause of double chin. More often, it appears from a wrong body posture when your neck is overcontracted and your chin presses against your neck, forming folds and wrinkles. Another reason for a double chin is swelling, when excessive liquid accumulates in tissues due to interrupted lymph circulation, which is caused by body posture. Therefore, 80% of the results depends directly on back and neck posture. So, here are your action steps against this problem. First of all, get rid of neck and back overcontraction and right body posture. Secondly, getting rid of swelling. I hope that you have already made those two your everyday routine and they give you the results. If you are new to our channel, link to those videos is in the description below. And thirdly, working on your double chin itself. After you're done with exercises for your back and neck and boosted your lymph nodes on your collarbones and ears and got rid of excessive liquid in your face, move on to the exercises for your chin. First exercise will boost your lymph nodes on your chin and will strengthen the muscle. Put your thumb under your chin and other fingers along your face and open your mouth. You should be feeling a slight tension. You should repeat this exercise in 2 sets 10 times each. With the next exercise, you are going to elongate your neck and chin muscles. Put your hands above your collarbones, pulling your skin down. Lift your head and open and close your mouth. During this exercise, you should feel the tension and elongation in your muscle. With the next exercise, you are going to get rid of tension and elongate your lower jawline. Turn your head to the side and move your jaw out. You should be doing this exercise very slowly and carefully, repeating 5 times on each side. Next exercise for strengthening of your chin muscle you can do unnoticeably for other people. Point your tongue and place it in front of your teeth. It should look approximately like that. Pay attention to how much it elongates your chin. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Next exercise is a nagging massage for your double chin. Put your hands parallel to each other and massage this area in nagging motions. And lastly, you should do an intraoral massage with your tongue. It will help strengthening your chin muscle. This video is already on our channel and link to it will appear now and in the description below. If you found this video interesting, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends.